how to do the following fine tuning. Actually, prepare and upload the training data. First of all, you need to prepare. It is a JSON L parameter, which I am going to explain you in a bit, and train a new fine-tuned model. Actually, so there are 4 different models which can be fine-tuned, not all actually. So after that, use your fine-tuned models. So first model is Da Vinci, second model is Curie, third model is Babbage, and fourth model is Ada. So these 4 models can be fine-tuned. If you see, what I am saying is your data must be JSON L document. JSON L, this is the format. I will explain what is that. I am showing you the sample also. So each line is a prompt and completion pair. I am showing here what is the prompt and what is the completion. It is a JSON object having different elements over there. So prompt and completion pairs must be there in the JSON document. And however, if you don't want to create the JSON data, you can use CSV file also to create the JSON L data. There are some tools which runs on the command line, so which can create prompt and completion format, which it expects. So see here, you can pass CSV, TSV, JSON, XLS or something to create the JSON L file. So it will input will be something, but output will be JSON L only. So this is the interesting stuff. So if it is too difficult for you to write a JSON L, you can write a CSV. It's very simple, right? 2 fields, only 2 fields, and you can convert it to the JSON L document. Okay, so to convert. Okay, so this is the example of how to create the fine-tune model. Here you can create the fine-tune model for, and you understand there are 2 parameters. You can see here actually there are 2 parameters. One is model and one is prompt. So this model can be one of these 4: ADA, Babbage, Curie, or Da Vinci. And your prompt means whatever prompt you are writing. So this prompt will contain your JSON L document.